Good morning guys, in front of me is ALCATEL 1T10 Smart from 2020, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on this device. So at first open some panel in which you can enter some text. It can be the browser, notes, whatever, just the place in which you can enter some text, so you can see the keyboard clearly. And so here is the current keyboard language. Once you want to change it, just tap on settings icon, go to languages, tap on add keyboard, select the language that you want to apply. You can either scroll all the way down to find the preferred language, or you can use the search icon and enter the language that you want to apply here. Okay, so maybe it's not working. Okay, it is. Select the language, tap on done to save. Now you can remove unnecessary language, so just click on pen icon, mark the language to delete, tap on bin icon, and then let's go back. And as you can see, keyboard language has been already changed. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.